Now let's look at a simple function in Python. Recall that we have percent, pound percent cent, and pound percent cent, and they mark out a cell. These lines show the boundaries of the cell. Here we have a function defined within a cell, and we can execute that by typing Control Enter. On a Macintosh, it would be Command Return. Now this function can be run by typing in the console the name of the function, hello world. A couple of things to note about this. One is it's got a single statement, print hello world, and it does that. And this statement is indented 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. We always indent 4 spaces. We don't use tabs. That can sometimes cause confusion on the part of Python. I've also got a string here enclosed in triple quotes. This string can be used to document the program. And if you notice up here in Object Inspector, you can get the definitions of various functions, and we can get the definition of our function by clicking on hello here, typing Control I. Then our function shows up here, and this triple quoted string is the documentation. So you can put instructions on how to run your program, for example, in that, or your function. Now let's write another function. Here's the area of a circle of a given radius. Again, we've got pound percent cent to mark out the cell. We can execute this thing by clicking anywhere in the cell and typing Control Enter or Command Return on a Macintosh. That loads it into the console window over here, and now we can run it by typing area of the circle, the name of the function, and I'll give it a value of 5 for the radius. It prints out the area of the circle of radius 5 is 78.5. Now let's look how it does that. First of all, we have the formula for the area of the circle. Area is equal to pi, 3.14, times the radius squared. Just a simple formula for the radius for the area of a circle. Now, we print the phrase, the area of a circle of radius, followed by the radius, is, followed by the area that we computed. Now you try writing a function. Here's an exercise to do. Write a function def area triangle BH, where B is the base and H is the height of the triangle. To compute the area of a triangle, the formula is area equal 1/2 base times the height. Output should look like the following. The area of a triangle of base 3 and height 5 is 7.5. You can test your function by executing the following code. Here's a triangle of base 3 and height 5. Here's one of base 2 and height 20. Here's my run of this. Area of the triangle of base 3 and height 5 is 7.5. The area of a triangle of base 2 and height 20 is 20. Now you try it. When you get through, press continue, and I'll show you my solution. Okay, here is my solution. Definition, area triangle BH is area equal 1/2 base times the height, just that same formula. Print the area of a triangle of base B and height H is area.